My guest is Dimitris Kantzelis. He is CEO of XSpot Wealth, the innovative, technology-driven wealth management company he co-founded to provide convenient, transparent, low-cost and flexible wealth management solutions to people at every level of income. Dimitris, obviously 2020 was a year of incredible volatility. How have the markets responded this year as we inch closer to recovery?
Yes, it was a quite bumpy ride, especially in March 2020, when we saw the stock markets dropping more than 30% and oil prices at some point trading at below zero levels. So that was a very difficult situation for investors, as they were like dumping everything and getting cash, preparing for a lifetime catastrophe. Now, we saw that governments and central banks were very well prepared to support the system with trillions in stimulus packages. This is now bringing some fears of hyperinflation lasting for the next couple of years. This is the main theme of discussion for these current months and for the next year. The counter-argument for that is that these stimulus packages went to support households and businesses to get through the pandemic, as we saw record levels of savings all around the world. We believe those savings will help as we go out of this pandemic. We believe we will be going out very quickly, and we will be looking at a phase of mature growth in the global stock and bond markets.
And what sectors do you expect to perform well as life slowly returns to normal?
Well, we're looking at some sectors specifically. I would mention the health sector, because the mRNA technology helped a lot, not only in the COVID-19 vaccines, but also in the entire research and development around vaccines for the future. So that's a sector we're focusing in. The banking sector is another very important sector. The banks were very well capitalized this time, and we believe with increasing interest rates, they will be very profitable. So that's another sector we're focusing. Real estate is another sector, as we're seeing people buying houses, turning to real estate for safety after the global pandemic, and also infrastructure, as we're trying to change the way we commute and we live in the cities. So these are the main sectors we'll be focusing.
And which geographies do you expect to be outperforming?
We believe United States will keep outperforming the global stock and bond markets. We see some worries in China. We still believe China is going to be the next big thing for the next decade, but with the Evergrande situation and the debt issues of many companies, the overregulation that Beijing is trying to bring in, we believe that it might grow on a slower pace for the next couple of years. Now, Europe will also grow and get out of the pandemic, but the issue is the big energy crisis that it's unfolding at the moment. So we believe they should be lagging US as well.
Dimitris, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Learn more at xspotwealth.com. Click now for more from this interview with Dimitris Kantzelis, and please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.